Hi, welcome back! If you want to know how I created this makeup look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red button below. So, I'm going to apply yogurt from NYX Jumbo Pencil. So today's colors are from Colourpop Cosmetics, and it's the edition Kathleen Lights, Where the Night Is. With the same brush that we just used, we're going to apply Weenie on the lid. With a pencil brush, we're going to apply Porter on the outer angle of our eye, defining a C. Blend with a blending brush. With a clean pencil brush, we're going to apply the same colors on our under eye. Onto the fun part, we're going to transform two eyeshadows into eyeliner. So Telepathy and Midnight.
Dip your eyeliner brush in your eyeshadow and then spray it. If you don't own any mixing media or any spray, don't worry, you can use water. In case of water, remember to wet your brush before using the eyeshadow. A little side note, when using water, the eyeshadow in the pan, once it dries, it will harden. So what I suggest is to dip your brush in the angle of the container of the eyeshadow.
Getting onto the face, we're going to apply two blushes from the H Cosmetics. This pink over here and this orangish over here. We're gonna mix them together. Let's apply some lipstick. We're going to use Limecrime Beet It. You can always apply lip Strobe from Huda Beauty in the color Shameless. Don't forget mascara. Here you go, you're done. How simple was that? If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me also on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you next time. Ciao!